Yeah.
We got
Yeah.
a question from the chat. Martin would like to know what is your favorite build that you have done?
My favorite build. That's a great question. So this year, I built a walnut coffee table. Now, this was a very, very uh, interesting design request. So, person hit me up. They sent me a picture, a reference, and it was a Michael Myers bodysuit inside inside of a table. Like the suit sits inside the table. The table has a glass top, and you see a full size Michael Myers body in the table. So
That's awesome.
yeah, the backstory to this is the guy's girl that he was talking to at the time. She was a big horror movie buff, and she had a whole room full of horror movie memorabilia. So this whole room was horror movie stuff, and he wanted this table made to be like the centerpiece of the room. Now, I mostly do epoxy work. I do some tables, but most of my tables are kind of, in my opinion, they're really simple and basic. It's just kind of nice big slabs, some epoxy, and then metal legs bolted on. I don't really take a lot of pride in that because there's not much joinery. Like I want to start I like getting into more joinery and trying to like really test my abilities and my skills. So this table, I built it out of walnut. The reference he sent me was just pine 2x4s, and it was really, really crappy. I said, you know what? I'm gonna up this design, and I made this Michael Myers table. If you go back on my page, you guys can research it. But I did the top. I made heavy duty drawer slides. So I did a concealed lock. So I had a key card. When you swipe the key card by the side of the table, it unlocked the top of the table, and you could slide the whole table out. So it was almost like a those people make those hidden gun kind of tables.
Mm-hmm.
It was like that, but you unlock the table, you slide the top out, and you can get to the bodysuit. This way, you can lay the suit in there and do whatever you gotta do. But I got to break out. I bought a Festool domino joiner for that. So
I have it.
That was my first project with it, and now I love that thing. So I made the legs, I made the stretchers, I made everything. I put these like steel bars around it, so it looked like Michael Myers was kind of locked in a cage. So that was my favorite of the year. And I did LED lights. It was all lit up, and the lights worked off a remote. It was pretty cool.
What's really funny is when you said Michael Myers, I was glad they sent you a picture because I was thinking of Austin Powers and.
Oh my God.
Do you think I'm sexy, baby?
Hey, that would be pretty cool too.